Hello, folks. It's the Lion Jenkins here. Yeah, I was going to take the rider out and enjoy a nice mow, but when I got into my shed, my left front tire was flat. So I had to run up to Lowe's and get one of those universal tires, which does not match at all with the OEM tires, but it does the job. Now, when you do the changing of the front tire on a riding mower, probably gonna need, some type of vice grip or wrench in a socket so you can hold it on one side while you do the other. I don't have a mower jack, so you're gonna see me lift this mower up on some paint cans and a couple of bricks. Did the job, it works. So I'm gonna have to go out and get me a mower jack if I'm gonna be changing tires. Now, I didn't record this fully because I was just gonna enjoy the mow, but the right tire is going flat, so I'll record that one. Now, after you get you a nice little mow in, I like to wash my equipment off. Get you a little bit of soap. I don't necessarily wash rims every time I rinse it off, but this time we had a lot of rain and a lot of stuff got caught up under there. So that's why this particular mower has lasted so well for so many years, I believe, is because I really take good care of my equipment. Now, when you lift up the seat and you spray down in air, most riding mowers, the battery is up under the seat. So you want to be a little bit careful, but it's not like it's not been wet before. I buzzed it a little bit, not too much, but I wanted to get it a little bit closer. And the lines came out pretty good. Grass came out pretty nice. But if you were to see this in person, you would be like, wow, the color in this grass. Now, I would think that I'm somewhere in the area 60 to 70% Kentucky blue. But when the house was built, they put a contractor's mix in there. So as most of you know, contractor's mix is Kentucky blue, rye, and fescue. So there's some other things in there. Notice the soft texture look as I go down the side of the house. And the difference between my lawn and the next lawn is really just the texture. And it is a deep darker green, but the texture is just so soft. Put this walkway in because I needed a way to get down the side of the house. I would go from the front to the back fairly often over cutting season, and I started wearing a path on the side of the house, so put a little walkway in. So this has been the Lion Jenkins. Just thought I'd give you a quick update. All right, folks.
Somewhere on the scene, it got a little longer, so it seems. I burned out, so to speak. Now come a little closer. I feel a little light in the light track.